Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a schedule using Notion. First, open your Notion workspace and create a brand new page. Give this page a descriptive title, like My Daily Schedule or Project Timeline. Next, you'll want to select the table database type. This foundational step sets up the structure for organizing all your tasks and appointments efficiently. It's a simple start to building a powerful organizational tool. Now that you have your table, let's build out your schedule database. Give your new database a clear name, perhaps My Schedule or Weekly Tasks. Then, add crucial properties to each entry. You'll definitely want a date property to track when things are due, and a status property to mark progress, like To Do, In Progress, or Done. For an extra layer of organization, consider adding a priority property to highlight your most important items. To make your schedule even more powerful, let's customize its properties and views. Add a type property using a select or multi-select option to categorize entries, like work, personal, or study. A simple checkbox property is also incredibly useful for marking tasks as complete with a single click. Finally, create a calendar view. This visual layout transforms your table into an easy-to-read calendar, showing all your scheduled items at a glance. With your Notion schedule set up, it's time to populate it with your actual tasks and events. Start by adding all your deadlines, appointments, and to-do items into the database. Make sure to fill in all the properties you created, like the date, status, and priority for each entry. The real power comes from consistently using and updating your schedule. Regularly review it, mark tasks as complete, and adjust as needed to stay on top of everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.